Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook relationship status. Now let's get right on to the video. The first thing you want to do is to open up Facebook. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and go to the menu by clicking the three lines at the bottom right corner. From here, you want to go and click on your name. Here you can select edit profile or select edit public details. So I'll click edit profile. From here, you can scroll down. And as you can see, relationship status is underneath details. So go ahead and click that. You can then at the very bottom, click relationship, and it says add a relationship status. So go ahead and click that. From here, you can change who sees your status. So it can be public, it can be just your friends, or it can just be yourself. And then actually change the status, you want to go ahead and click relationship status, change it to whatever you are, click it, and then you want to click save. And that's how you do it. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any video ideas. I will see you in the next video.